Okay, here's a little market here in Sawmill. I'm just looking around. Hi, how are you?
Yes po.
Oh, those are some big potatoes. Pagkano?
120 per kilo.
Okay, that's a good price. Okay. Usually sometimes they're very, very maliit. The one, 120.
Yes po.
And how much are the little tiny ones?
80 per kilo.
Oh, okay. Hello. Well, nice tattoos.
Yes. Thank you po.
Okay, you take care.
You too, sir.
You have to work all day?
Yes.
Ay, pagod.
Pagod so much.
Oo. Okay, take care. Yeah, for YouTube. Subic Bay Johnny. Just remember Subic Bay, SBMA. Then Johnny. Johnny, yeah, Papa. See you later. Hello. Morning. Hello. Lots of food here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, mamaya lang.
Yeah.
Oh, are you the one to cook all of this?
Yes.
You're a good cook.
Yeah.
Hello. Balik.
Oh, sige, balik. You're coming back.
Yeah, if you're here. Are you gonna be here? Are you here all day?
Yes,
Oh.
every day.
No day off?
No day off. I
Oh.
want money.
Okay. Mahirap and
Mahirap buhay.
oh, it's so hard to live. Sawa ka na?
Yes.
Sayang.
Sayang. But I
You
divorce.
want to divorce? Did you ask him? Later.
5 pesos. Barya lang po yun.
I had like 8 people ask me for money. Wow. That's new. Bago. I don't see that before. That is very nice. Oh, yeah, maybe later, okay? Hello. Yeah, that's like a garden now. Garden restaurant. Sige. Oh, hello. Hi. You be careful. Pork chop.
Pork chop, sir.
Okay. Looks delicious.
Delicious, fresh.
Ah. Hello.
Hi.
My God, it's getting hot. Hi, hello. Very fresh. Hello, my friend. Hey, boss. And that was Sawmill. Now I'm going to be taking a walk over to Barrio Brittle. Soon I pass under that arches there. That will be in Longopo. Okay, almost there, right here. That I'm still in Subic. Now I'm in a Longopo.